Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. This past weekend, I found these muted gold canning snap lids at my local Dollar Tree, and here's what I did with them. For project number one, I used 4.5-inch mirrors, canning lids, and these adhesive mirrors, all from the Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was remove the black tabs and stickers from the back of my mirrors, and then I used hot glue to adhere the mirrors to Dollar Tree foam board that I already had at home. This foam board stopped slightly shorter than my mirrors, so I cut away the excess and I used it to get the foam board size that I needed. Since the mirrors have some weight to them, I've decided to double my foam board, but this time using Dollar Tree tacky glue and hot glue around the perimeter. Next, I covered up the sides of my foam board with my small Dollar Tree adhesive mirrors. These mirror towels are self-adhesive, but it's a good idea to also add small amounts of hot glue. Now that I have my mirror panel, it's time to add my canning lids. I used a strong adhesive to adhere the canning lids to my mirror in a design that I was happy with, and then I allowed the glue to dry overnight. While that dried, I began project number two. For this project, I'm using more of the mirrors, canning lids, and some rhinestones in a jar, also from Dollar Tree. Here, I'm using a Dollar Tree wood block to help me with my spacing. As you can see, I've made 4 pieces using 2 mirrors, a canning lid, and some of the rhinestones. To hide the appearance of the craft sticks, I'm using a black Sharpie marker, and I'm also gluing a canning lid to the back of the mirrors as well. I know that this all looks like a hot mess right now, but trust me on this. To put my pieces together, I've decided to use a glue stronger than the Dollar Tree Fix All adhesive. Before the glue completely dries, I'm using a dull X-Acto knife to remove the excess. I'm cutting the glue rather than pulling it because pulling the glue will interfere with the integrity of the design. Once I cleaned up my design, I allowed it to dry overnight, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. Once I saw how pretty the rhinestones looked inside of the canning lids, I decided to also add the rhinestones to my wall decor. And because I noticed that the Fix All adhesive slightly clouded my rhinestones, I'm using hot glue instead. To hang my design, I'm using large Velcro command strips. And here's the finished look. I really love how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.